In this video, I will show you how to use fal.ai very easily. So to get started, go ahead and open fal.ai on your browser. And then go ahead and sign up for an account. So enter your email and password, then verify your account. Log in to access your dashboard, and then on your dashboard, head over into the Explore tab. Now once you're in here, scroll down and you'll be able to find all of the models that you can use. So at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find all of the categories of each of these AI models. So simply click on the checkbox of the section or the category of the AI model that you want to check out. So here are the featured models for this specific category. Click on that AI model that you want to try out. So once you're in here, go ahead and enter the prompt on the left side of your screen. So once you're done with the prompt, click on that run button to start creating the material that you want using this AI model. So once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the cost of generating an image for this case. So once I scroll down, I'll be able to find the cost of generating the image. So you need to go ahead and top up your account with enough money to be able to generate items on fal.ai, and that is how you can basically use fal.ai.